Harry wishes to start saving for his retirement. He estimates that he will need 4 million in order to retire comfortably. He invests 5,000 a month at an interest rate of 13% per annum compounded monthly. How many years? That being specifically, how many years will he have to wait to retire? So if you save 5,000 each and every month, and then you want to retire, we want to check how long will it take you to actually reach your retirement. Okay, so let's look at this then. We have X, which is 5,000. We have our future value, which is 4 million. And then we have our interest, which is going to be equal to 0.13. And then it's compounded what monthly? Divided by 12. And then since we are saving, we want to save, keyword saving. The keyword here is because we want to save. If they're saying we are saving, we can either use the compound interest formula or the future value formula. Now, how did you know which we need to use the future value formula? It's because of the monthly payments. So we have future, which is going to be equal to X, open bracket, 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1. All over I. Okay, I said the simplest thing that we can do is to make n the subject. So if we make n the subject, we're going to start by cross multiplying. I, and then we have I and F, which is going to be X. And then we have 1 plus I, like this. We divide by X, we divide by X, and then X and X. And then after that, we remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, we're going to take this one to this other side. It says we have I, we have future value all over X minus 1, which, it's plus, it's negative. I always make this mistake. And then we have 1 plus I to the power of what? Of n. Then we can log.
Yes.
So if you log here, we're going to have log, which is going to say, we take this one, it becomes the base.
Yes.
So we're going to have 1 plus I to the power. We have this part here. This part is going to be I, F, all over X, plus 1. Now it's a matter of substituting. It's equaling to n. So it's a matter of substituting. If we're to sub here, we are going to have log. Our base is 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12. Open bigger bracket. We want to have how much? 4 million.
4 million.
So it's 0.13 divided by 12. Multiplied by 4 million. 1, 2, 3. All over 5,000. Plus 1. This is going to be equal to what? To n. Okay, let's do this then. How are you going to type it in your calculator? You say log. There are 2 logs. Did you see? There's this one and this one. You need to put this one which has a base. This one, the base is base 10. If you type this one, the base is base 10. If they didn't say anything, so the base is going to be base 10. So we have and then here we have a fraction. We also have another fraction. So we have 0.13 divided by 12 multiplied by 4 million. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All over 5,000 plus 1. It says Zuguti n 210. 0.55. And then from here onwards, since they want the number of years, they didn't say the number of payments, number of years. Number of years are going to divide by 12. It says with the number of years that we're going to have is what? 1,49.
17 comma.
17,55. So it's going to take us approximately 17 years.
18 years.
18 years.
18 years.
Why 18 years?
Because so I'm getting after 17 years, you still.
No, it's going to take us 17 months, 17 years, and how many months there? We're going to put it in months here. 0,55 multiplied by 12.
And 7 months.
And 7 months. No? So it's not 18 years.
It's
Eh?